Hey everybody, this is Mr. Petito, and today we're going to talk about how you can use PicCollage to create a collage and then share it to Flipgrid so that way you can narrate over it and explain your collage. So PicCollage is pretty easy, and they make it really easy on you by giving you tutorials and templates you can choose from. There's a variety of ways you can create your PicCollage. So after installing the app like you see here, there's a few different ways you can get started. You have grids, freestyle, and templates. And so grids gives you a set template to use in terms of you can just drop photos into different types of squares, and then you can add text and stickers and things on top of that. Just know that grids is going to be very specific. So if you want to have 6 pictures, you need to have a grid that allows for 6 pictures, right? And it's going to be a certain layout. It could be 3 and 3, or maybe it's a mosaic. But basically you're filling in the grid. Freestyle lets you do just that. You can place pictures or text or images or writing or whatever wherever you'd like on the page. So you can have 6 photos, and you can have some angled this way, some angled that way, things overlapping, and that kind of thing. Templates allow you to pick one of PicCollage's starting templates and then enhance it from there. For our purposes today, we're going to take a look at the freestyle just because it's a blank page and we can do what we want with it. Also, if you're learning more about PicCollage, just know that you have some 101 PicCollage templates to choose from in order to learn more about the features. All right, at the very bottom of the app, you see My Collages and you see Store. Store is where you can upgrade the app if you so choose to get more features, but you can use PicCollage for free. The only stipulation is that it puts the word PicCollage on top of your collage when you're finished. And then the My Collages section is where you go to see the collages that you've created. All right, so we're going to go ahead and create a new collage. And again, I'm just going to start with freestyle here. And you see you can tap anywhere to add something. It says photo, but really I can tap anywhere and I can add a photo, I can add a sticker, I can add text. Stickers are PicCollage's built-in stickers. And again, you can search sticker packs and buy more sticker packs if you want to from the store. Okay. You also see that you can add text. So if you're doing an inspirational quote, maybe you want to start with that, and then that way you can build out from there. And then photos are anything from your photo library. Okay. Now, if you look at there at the bottom, you have additional items besides photos, stickers, and text. You also have layout. So if you want to convert your freestyle collage to something with a grid, you can just simply select layout and you can choose the kind of grid that you want. Or if you started with grid and you want to switch to a freestyle, you just scroll all the way over and you choose the blank page on the left-hand side right there. Okay. You can adjust the size of your collage based upon your own needs. That's the layout we were currently in, right? Auto is the templates that Glide has to choose from. You can select from one of their templates there. Okay, but we're going to start from a blank page. For now, let's go ahead and undo that. Backgrounds, again, just that. They have some free backgrounds of just colors and textures, but you see there that some of them are premium or some of them are locked. Right, so if you want some fun backgrounds, you have to pay for them. Otherwise, you do get some fun colors at least with some. They do have textures on them a little bit. Right, so you can at least get a colored background if you so choose. Note you can also make a picture a background. So if you want to start with a picture as your background, you can do that too using the photo icon in the bottom left-hand corner there. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and undo that. All right, and the last thing at the bottom here that I want to show you is the web image, right? So instead of finding a photo from your photo library, you can also search Bing, which is Microsoft's search engine, to find images and add them to your PicCollage. So I could do a web image, and maybe I want to find something like sky, right? Now you might get this search error. It's because we're using Microsoft on an Apple device, using your Google account to sign in on our Wi-Fi. There's some strange things that happen, but it will work. If you hit search here, okay, then you see that the results pop in. If you don't see any results, sometimes just switching to GIFs and then switching back to images will kind of toggle things a little bit in order to get the images that you want. All right, so I'm going to find an inspirational image here, maybe this one here. Right. Note you can add more than one image at a time. You can just simply select all the images that you want, and you see that the tally in the top right-hand corner has a 6 and then a check mark. So there's where you can add all 6 images at once to this collage, but I'm only going to pick the one for now. I hit the check mark to add it. And then using 2 fingers, I can drag it around, pinch and zoom it, fill up the entire space. And you see there at the bottom right-hand corner that it says PicCollage. So your PicCollage will have a watermark of their own name on the free account. Okay. Now, if you want to set this as the background or do some other information with it, all you have to do is long press on the image, and you get some other options here. You have the ability to add things to the back or to the front. You can add a border to it. You can set it as the background. So maybe I want to do that with this sky image. I'll do that first here. So I'm going to choose the Set as Background button, and boom, you see that it fills in the background with this image. All right, let's add in some text. So I'll choose text, and here will be my inspirational quote. All right. And here you can choose the style. Again, some of them are premium, some of them are not, but you can pick the type of font that you want. You get a lot of them for free. Okay. And just like with images, you can use 2 fingers to pinch around and drag it exactly where you'd like it. Okay, you can also change the styling. You can change the color. You can change the size and the width and so forth here too. Okay, so there's a variety of things you can do. Add an outline. All right. When you're done, hit the checkbox, and there you go. Now, if you want to add more images, we can still use the web image feature here. So maybe I want to find a picture of an eagle. I don't know. All right, let's get there. Search. There we go. And I'm going to find one here that maybe like an eagle in flight. Ooh, like this one maybe. Well, I want something that's got all the edges. That one might be okay. Perfect. Now, I don't like that ugly blue background that comes with this eagle, so I'm going to long press on it. And you see that I can choose a cutout shape, or I can use the magic cutout on the left there with the little sparkles to have it automatically find the edges. And you can choose tight, a little looser, or blurred. There we go. And now I can, again, place this where I'd like it. All right, so you kind of get the idea. You can mix and match photos from your photo library, from web image, so forth. You can doodle on here as well, so using your stylus, right? You can have, some drawings on there. Okay, and when you're finished, you simply hit done. It'll save it. If you want to remove the watermark, okay, obviously you can pay for it up here. Otherwise, you simply just hit save to library, right? Save to library, and now that photo is in my library as soon as I watch this ad. Let's go back, close, save to library, okay. And so now when I hit the checkbox and I go to my photo library, it should be there waiting for me. All right, so the next part here is Flipgrid. So with Flipgrid, I'm gonna come over here to my Flipgrid, and you're gonna enter in the code for your teacher's Flipgrid. All right, so once you've signed in to your Flipgrid, you can record a response, right? And then instead of recording your voice, right, you just have to go based off of your teacher's criteria and your guidelines for the project. They might want you to record a little bit here first. So for example, I can hit the record button. All right, so this is an introduction to my Flipgrid. Pause. And you see it gets added to a clip down there at the bottom right-hand corner. All right, so the second step here would be to add in your PicCollage image. And so to do that, you would simply go to Effects, select Photo. You'll find your PicCollage. It'll get added right here, right? And you can drag it where you'd like it. And so now it's you and your PicCollage all on one, and then you can hit record and start speaking about your PicCollage that you created. You can point things out, right? You can even tap on effects and draw if you want to point to things in your PicCollage as you're recording. You can pause, and you see that got added to my review as well. Okay. When you're finished, you would hit the green checkbox. You would take your cover, maybe make the image of your PicCollage as the cover art. Like that. Right, enter all the information, hit submit, and then you're done. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to email me at robert.petito@woodward.edu. And as always, thanks for watching.